Most professionals are reacting to AI the wrong way. They're trying to predict which jobs will survive. But that's the wrong question. The real question is, how do you position yourself? Surviving AI is a system. Over the past several videos, we've been building a model. Today, we'll bring it all together. Phase 1, awareness. AI doesn't eliminate industries first. It eliminates predictable tasks. If your work can be documented, it can be automated. The first step is seeing the shift. Phase 2, leverage. AI rewards professionals who multiply their output. The new advantage is workflow design. Those who build systems gain leverage. Phase 3, income protection. Salary is income concentration. Optionality reduces risk. The goal is not to leave your job. The goal is to make it optional. The AI corporate survival model. Step 1, understand automation. Step 2, build leverage. Step 3, protect your income. This is not a career strategy. It's a risk strategy. Next phase, authority. When you understand the system, you can teach it. That's where opportunity explodes. I hope you've been enjoying our AI corporate survival series. Make sure you click on the icon so you can subscribe to the channel, and that way you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Please leave us a like and give us a comment if you have any questions. We'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.